Hello everyone. Today we will be talking about digital eye syndrome part 2. In which we will be discussing about the importance of blinking. So a normal blink rate is almost 14 to 15 times per minute, but once someone is doing excess work on system, the blinking rate becomes 4 to 5 times per minute. And it has been shown that maybe because the people will be focusing and staring at the system, so hence the blinking rate reduces. Why is blinking important? Blinking will spread the water film on the eye, which is important for keeping the eye surface moist. It acts as a lubricating surface for in between the eyelids and the eye surface, so that the lids blink easily, and it forms the first layer of focusing the light so as to form a clear image. So suppose if the first layer, which is the outermost water film for focusing, is not clear, then the clarity of image will also be problem in such patients. And a very common symptom in such patients are that they will not be able to see clearly, and once they blink 4 5 times, then the vision will become clear. Again, after some time, when the dry spots come, again their vision will become blurred. So suppose you are working on system, you have blinked and then you are working and focusing, and because of the focus and you are engrossed in your work, you are not blinking again. The water film which had formed will is evaporating because of the outside environment. So the water film is continuously evaporating, dry spots are forming, but you are not blinking again. So these dry spots will send signal to brain that there is dryness in eye, dryness is there, and hence in reflex brain will start secreting more water. So the patients might have excess watering as their symptom, or there will be dryness also can be one of the symptoms, or eye irritation, blurring of vision, etc. Hence, it is always advisable to keep blinking. I know blinking is reminding ourselves in such a huge workload, so that we have to keep blinking is tough, but I request all of you to please keep reminding yourself, because computer will be there with us all our life. So now we have to adjust ourselves so that we can work with computer in harmony. Thank you.